Hi everyone, today we're going to be making inventory bread from the Minecraft cookbook. First I added 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And then I took 1 teaspoon kosher salt and a packet of active dry yeast. Then I took 2 tablespoons of salted butter and melted it. And 1 1/2 cups warm water. So I'm just mixing the ingredients now. And adding the water little by little. And once all of the dry ingredients are mixed as well, I'm also going to add the rest of the butter. So after I'm done mixing, I'm just going to move the dough into a large oiled bowl, cover it with a damp towel, and you're going to want to let it sit for about an hour or until it's doubled in size. So you're going to take the dough on a floured surface, punch it down, and use a sharp knife to cut it into 32 pieces. I also prepared all the seasonings that I'm going to be needing. So for the toppings here, I have grated Parmesan for the wool block, mozzarella for birch wood plank, shredded cheddar for the oak wood plank, and some minced garlic for the glowstone. So I have some sesame seed for the sand block here, poppy seeds for the coal ore, paprika for red sandstone, rosemary for the grass block, the lava will be the marinara, and some pesto for the mossy cobblestone. I'm dipping the pieces into the seasonings. For the dry seasonings, you want to dip the dough into melted butter first. I set my oven to 400 degrees and bake the dough for 30 minutes, and here's the final result. Thanks for watching.